In today's episode, we will be inspecting these Game Boys if they're working. Welcome to this electronic project series. We will be unboxing, fixing, modifying all sorts of electronic projects. It will involve video game consoles, handhelds, and anything that we can think of. If you like this kind of stuff, stay tuned and enjoy the show. Alright guys, I got these lot of Game Boy handheld systems a while back. They were sold for parts and at eBay auction, very cheap. Initially, I wanted to take these Game Boys and convert them to Raspberry Pi systems. And if you went and look at my older videos, I did achieve just that. But it's a long and tedious process and I just don't have time these days. Today, however, I want to check their condition since I haven't done so when I first got them. And if they were damaged, possibly I'll try to fix them or add some modifications such as backlight. I don't want to do too much because there is a lot of value in their original design state. So let's go get to it. But anyway, we first gotta check to see if any of these are working. So I guess of course we check with this one. We already know that it looks like it's damaged. The screen is damaged. Let's put us see. It doesn't even have a cover. The triggers are broken. Let's see if we put like a battery, what happens. See, it doesn't even turn on. Nothing. So that's that. We have to check that. Put that aside. This one doesn't also have a cover. I don't know why all of these don't have covers. Anyway, seems like there's some scratches on the screen. The trigger seems okay. The button seems good. Just doesn't have a cover. No missing screws. It looks like no one tampered with it before. You can just put a battery here. So I got this is the only game I have right now, so we can try this out. Okay. Oh, it does turn on. It does turn on. The audio works. Let's see if the button, as you can see, the screen is scratched. I would really like to upgrade the okay, we press start. The button seems to work. Yep. Okay. Start. Candyland. It does work, so that's good. We can put it in a working pile. Okay. Let's take this. Okay, the next up is these Game Boy colors. Game Boy. I really like this Game Boy color. Anyway, let's try it out. There's a big piece of glue. I don't know where that came from. The button seems fine, just needs a bit of cleaning. Pokemon sticker in the back. Anyway, this is some best of the best. This is an old Game Boy that I found around, and it works. So I know definitely it works. So put that in here. Okay, let's see the moment of truth. Seems like the Nintendo sign seems like it's kind of corrupted. Maybe we just need to clean the pins in here. Just maybe let's try again. I did a whole blow insert technique. Anyway, okay, it does work. So it does seem like it could be a pin, but the Game Boy Color. Let's try one more time, shall we? Alright, so it does work. Best of the best. Press A. Okay. So the controls work and match. Okay. What does that mean? I don't know how to play this game. Wow, this is so... Oh wow, great graphics back in the day. Okay, I think this works. See, let's see if you guys can see that. I'm really bad at it. It does work. The guy fell down. It was a knockout. Alright, anyway, we know that one works. I guess we just need a little bit of cleaning in this one. I would really like to upgrade this to backlight Game Boy Color. That would be cool, since we know it works. Alright, let's see this one, the Game Boy Pocket. I had one of these also back in the day. But it was color blue. What I like this, it has a cover, so that's nice. So this thing, the condition is okay. It seems like the screen glue is kind of... The screen, there's no scratches at all, so it's decent condition. There's some nicks here. Okay, this is the model MGB01. Anyway, we'll turn this on. So it doesn't work. It does here. There is some sort of so there is audio, but it's just that there's no screen. So the screen must be dead. Oh wait, contrast. Maybe you gotta turn. Oh wait, oh there it is. So it does work actually. It's just that the contrast was dead. So this thing also works. This is good. So none of these actually are broken. It's just that no, it's just that maybe bad condition. Oh, so see, maybe what project would be to put backlight on this. Maybe change the screen. Well, we'll think about that. So overall, we got 3 out of working, I guess. Okay. So it seems like this is the broken one. We got lucky in this lot, and these 4 are working one. We just need to go and clean it. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Out of the 4 Game Boy Advance, 3 were working, so that's great. I've got a lot of plans for these working Game Boys. Maybe change the shell, do custom paints on them, modify the screen. So we've got a lot of things that we can do to them. In the next episode though, I'll be changing the shell of that working Game Boy Advance. I'll be replacing it with a brand new white clean shell. If you're interested in that, stay tuned, and until next time, aloha.